From Seattle, in less than an hour in a typical light aircraft, you can enjoy an unsurpassed variety of scenery. Ride along as I head north to Bellingham, Washington, just south of the U.S.-Canada border and east of Vancouver Island and the San Juan Islands. Bellingham is clear of the busy airspace that surrounds Seattle, but several airlines, Southwest, Alaska, and Allegiant, provide service from Bellingham to Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Oakland, Phoenix, and Seattle, sometimes adding a little spice to operations at the airport and its part-time control tower.
Okay, we are en route to Bellingham, cruising along at 4,500 feet, just a bit north of Arlington. Just monitoring Whidbey approach. Of the METAR at Bellingham, we're not able to get the ES yet because of the intervening hills here. Very nice day out here today, though. A little change from what we've been getting. And a Cordes in sight over there to the northwest at Whidbey, off our wing. Out in the distance, we're well clear of the class Charlie. And Skagit's up ahead at about our 11 o'clock. We've set up a descent point to get us into pattern altitude a couple miles from the airport. I've activated VNAV. Altimeter is set. We've got to top a descent in 1 minute, so we'll go ahead and switch our fuel tanks over to the right. Lights, everything except taxis on. We don't need any ice protection. Engine gauges look good. We have the information. Altimeters are set. Planning 1-6. Just have our final, excuse me, just have our final landing items to do. We're just northwest of, northeast of Skagit, approaching Chuckanut Bay here. Descent has started.
Bonanza 06 Delta is able, turn left next taxiway.
We'll turn left next taxiway, Bonanza 06 Delta.
Bonanza 06 Delta, taxi ramp via Echo, right turn on Delta. Just monitor ground for me, please.
Taxi to the ramp via Echo. I am going to the FBO. Do you still want me to follow Echo all the way over there? Bonanza 06 Delta.
I want you to go straight ahead on Echo and then a right turn on Delta. And monitor ground, please.
Sorry about that, didn't hear that. You cut out.
Alright, Bonanza 06 Delta, hold your position and contact ground.
Holding and contacting ground, Bonanza 06 Delta.
Bellingham Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Chuckanut Bay, information whiskey, landing.
November 1546 Foxtrot, Bellingham Tower, make left traffic, runway 16, report midfield.
Port midfield, left traffic 16, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Bellingham Tower, Skyhawk 19671.
Autopilot flight directory on Emperor off.
We'll be departing southeast over Chuckanut Bay.
Skyhawk 19671, Bellingham Tower, roger, hold short, runway 16.
Holding short, runway 1619671.
Skyhawk 844, traffic departing priority arrival is going to be a Skyhawk, runway 16, cleared land.
Clear to land 16, traffic in sight, 804.
Skyhawk 671, fly straight out, runway heading for now due to traffic, runway 16, cleared for takeoff. Additional traffic is a Skyhawk approaching left base.
16, clear for takeoff, fly straight out. Says no, 19671.
Bonanza 2106 Delta, Bellingham ground, straight ahead on Echo, right turn on Delta. Cessna 13594, traffic is Skyhawk turning left base. Make right orbits as you climb to your altitude. Runway 16, clear for takeoff.
16 clear for takeoff, right turn out up to my altitude. Yeah, like I say, we'll do a couple circles and we'll be out to the northeast by 904.
Roger. Skyhawk 844, additional traffic departing prior to your arrival, another Cessna.
Traffic 554.
Slow down here a little bit. Speed checks, approach flaps.
William Tower, Skyhawk 844 going around Oakland Scott base final.
Cessna 844, roger. Continue upwind, I'll call your close.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, 2 miles,
Continue upwind,
400
444,
feet below.
Cessna 844, the Cessna on the go is going to be making a right turn out, climbing to 3000. Additional traffic ahead and to your left is a Bonanza.
I'll look for him, 844.
Cherokee 901 Hotel, runway 16, clear,
Traffic,
touch and go.
11 o'clock, 2
can we make
miles,
that a full stop,
600
901
feet below.
Cherokee 901 Hotel, absolutely, runway 16, clear to land.
Clear to land 1622 901 Hotel.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, 2 miles, same altitude.
Cessna 4156 Foxtrot Bellingham ground, runway 16, taxi via Delta Alpha Bravo.
Bellingham Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, midfield left downwind 16.
Cessna 844, make left close traffic and report midfield, please.
Left traffic, report midfield, report.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, extend downwind, number 2, following the Cherokee, approaching right base. Report if you get them in sight.
Yeah, we'll extend the downward, looking for the Cherokee on right base, 46 Foxtrot. 3 green.
Skyhawk 671, you can proceed on course at your discretion. Frequency change approved. Have a great day.
Frequency change approved. Skyhawk 19671.
Thanks for your patience today. We appreciate it.
You bet.
Traffic,
Bonanza,
9 o'clock, 1 mile,
Bonanza
500
46
feet
Foxtrot,
below.
Traffic following is behind to your left and a little low. Runway 16, clear to land.
Clear to land 16, we're still looking for the Cherokee, 46 Foxtrot.
Yeah, there's no factor for you now.
Okay. Okay, we're starting our base turn, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Cessna 844, extend downwind, your number 3, following the Bonanza out there on the left base.
Number 3 for 16, traffic in sight, 844.
Cessna 844, follow the Bonanza on the left base. Number 3 again, runway 16, clear to land.
Clear to land, number 3 following the Bonanza, 844.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, we have the Cherokee head in sight.
Roger.
Traffic, 9 o'clock, 2 miles, 300 feet above. 1 mile final runway 16,
Full flaps, mixtures rich, prop.
500.
Traffic's on short final ahead of us, we're slowing down. Props coming in. On speed, on center line, a little bit high. Back on glide posts. See what this Cherokee's doing.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, you're still cleared to land. I've got 3,000 feet.
Okay, 46 Foxtrot, understood.
Cherokee 901 Hotel, turn left when able.
Taking Echo 22901 Hotel.
Cherokee 901 Hotel, taxi park via Echo Delta, monitor ground.
Echo Delta to park, monitor ground 901 Hotel.
Tower Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, we'd like to taxi back for a southwest departure.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, roger. Turn left when able and just remain this frequency.
Okay, left at the next one and we'll stay with you, 46 Foxtrot.
Traffic
Bonanza
short
46
final runway
Foxtrot, Runway
16.
16, text via Alpha Bravo, this frequency.
16 via Alpha Bravo with you, 46.